Hey everyone, welcome to Cortec Lab. If you just installed Arch Linux using the Archinstall script, you now have a clean system, but it's still missing a lot of important tools. In this video, I'll show you the essential things you should do right after installing Arch Linux to make your system secure, stable, and ready for daily use. Update the system. Before installing anything on Arch Linux, the first thing you should always do is update the system. Run sudo pacman su. Arch Linux is a rolling release distribution, which means packages are constantly updated. Keeping your system updated helps avoid compatibility issues and keeps everything running smoothly. Next, to install Timeshift. Timeshift allows you to create system snapshots, so if something breaks after an update or configuration change, you can easily restore your system. Run sudo pacman s timeshift. Once installed, you can configure Timeshift to create automatic snapshots. This is especially useful on Arch because updates happen frequently. Install essential packages. Next, let's install some essential tools that most Arch users need. Run sudo pacman s basedevil git niavim top Firefox Network Manager. Basedevil is required for building packages from AUR. Git is used for cloning repositories. Niavim is powerful text editor. Top its system monitoring tool. Firefox is web browser. Install an AUR helper. One of the biggest advantages of Arch Linux is access to the AUR, the Arch user repository. It contains thousands of community-maintained packages. Yay is an AUR helper that makes installing packages from the AUR much easier. Install and enable firewall. Security is another important step that many beginners skip. Install firewall. Sudo pacman s of. Enable time synchronization. Finally, let's enable automatic time synchronization. Run time detect will set NTP true. And that's it. These are some of the most important things you should do right after installing Arch Linux using the Archinstall script. This setup gives you a stable foundation with backups, essential tools, AUR access, and better security. If you want more Arch Linux tutorials, subscribe to Cortec Lab. In the next video, we'll explore Pacman and the AUR in more detail.